If you need to block someone on Dropbox, follow these simple steps to ensure your files and folders are secure from unwanted access. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Log into your Dropbox account. Access your Dropbox account by visiting the Dropbox website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to get started. Step 2. Navigate to Shared Files. Once logged in, go to the Shared section in the sidebar. This will display all the files and folders that you have shared with others. Step 3. Select the shared folder. Find the folder that you want to manage. Click on it to open the details and see the list of people with whom it is shared. Step 4. Manage access. Look for the option to manage access or settings for the shared folder. This is usually represented by an icon or a button labeled Share or Manage Access. Step 5. Block the user. In the access management settings, locate the person you wish to block. There should be an option to remove or block them from accessing the folder. Confirm your choice to finalize the action. By following these steps, you can effectively block someone from accessing your Dropbox files and maintain your privacy.